Okay, we have a follow-up on this 2000 GMC 3500 HD, the air conditioning. So right now we're completely filled. I replaced the service valve, and I also replaced the low side service valve just for safety. We have case temperature with the compressor running. Get the testo out. So this is the testo infrared. So I'm taking the case temperature right here, 28, 29 Celsius. Case test right there, 4.9 Celsius. Case temperature right there, 27 Celsius. So you can see the case temperature is very low, cool to the touch, colder than body temperature, like a 70-degree day. Our suction line temperature 31 degrees. Our liquid line temperature, which I am not on liquid line, I'm on a suction line, that's right. Forgot about that. That's the one with the orifice tube located right here. So anything after this part of the condenser is suction line, liquid line. So let's go back to the testo. Come on, connect. Okay, suction line temperature. I'm taking the suction line temperature right after the evaporator, before the accumulator. Right there, accumulator. That's the line coming out of the evaporator. And we're hitting a little too low, 28 degrees. But as soon as you hit the RPMs up, it hits the pressure switch and comes out. This pressure switch is out of calibration and needs to be replaced. But the second you touch the gas pedal, it instantly starts working normally. But pressure switch is out of calibration. Our liquid line or compressor discharge temperature, that's this one right here. This wireless sensor on the field piece, this is the hottest discharge point right there. And we're at 118 degrees. And our outdoor ambient temperature is 78 degrees right here on this little thermistor. That's taking the suction of the air right there. So that's 78, 79 degrees. And a discharge temperature of the compressor line. This is the temperature of the refrigerant, hot vapor, going into the condenser. And the 31 degrees is what was coming out. So that's it. A little infrared. Little tiny thing. And switching between the field piece software. Here's the field piece software for this, and for the testo. And then there's this testo software. And see, this is 805i, and it has listed right there 805i. And if I point this towards my forehead, that's my temperature of my forehead. If I point it towards where the fan is, that's the temperature of the fan shroud right there. Temperature of the alternator housing. Temperature of the compressor. Okay. So that's it. Just giving you guys an update on this. Finished.